Hong Kong Convention. Safe and environmentally sound ship recycling. The Hong Kong Convention is not just a framework, it's a critical global commitment. It pioneers a new era of ship recycling, meticulously safeguarding both the lives of workers and the delicate marine ecosystems across the globe. Course Overview. Comprehensive Program. Learn the essentials of the Hong Kong Convention and best practices for safe, sustainable ship recycling. Target audience. For ship recycling professionals, maritime engineers, environmentalists, compliance officers, and anyone seeking expertise in sustainable ship recycling and the Hong Kong Convention. Accreditations. Conducted as per International Maritime Organization, IMO. Historical foundation and entry into force. The Journey. Adopted 2009 in Hong Kong to address environmental and safety concerns in ship recycling. Replaces Basel Convention for end-of-life vessels. Entry criteria. 15 contracting states. 40% of world merchant fleet tonnage. 3% combined maximum annual ship recycling volume. 2009. Convention adopted. 15 states required. 40%. Fleet tonnage threshold. Core requirements and documentation framework. Inventory of hazardous materials, IHM. Comprehensive documentation of all hazardous materials on board, maintained throughout vessel's operational life. Ship Recycling Plan, SRP. Developed in cooperation with authorized ship recycling facility, specific to each vessel and facility. Facility authorization. Ship recycling facilities must meet stringent safety and environmental standards for authorization. Survey and certification. Regular inspections ensure compliance. International Certificate of Inventory of Hazardous Materials issued. Implementation guidelines and stakeholder impact. MEPC.196, 62, 2011. Ship Recycling Plan Development. MEPC.210, 63, 2012. Safe and Sound Recycling Practices. MEPC.211, 63, 2012. SRF Authorization Standards. MEPC.222, 64, 2012. Survey and Certification Procedures. MEPC.223, 64, 2012. Ship Inspection Guidelines. MEPC.269, 68, 2015. IHM Development Guidelines. Shipowners. Maintain IHM throughout vessel life. Coordinate with designated persons. Ensure compliance before recycling. Recycling facilities. Obtain authorization. Develop facility-specific SRP. Meet worker safety standards. Flag states and regulators. Authorize recycling facilities. Conduct surveys and inspections. Issue certificates. Course curriculum. Historical background. Hong Kong Convention requirements. Inventory of hazardous materials. Ship owner/designated person relationship for maintenance of IHM. Preparation of ship recycling plan in cooperation with Ship Recycling Facility, SRF. 2011 Guidelines for the development of the Ship Recycling Plan, adopted by Resolution MEPC.196, 62. 2012 Guidelines for Safe and Environmentally Sound Ship Recycling, adopted by Resolution MEPC.210, 63. 2012 Guidelines for the Authorization of Ship Recycling Facilities, adopted by Resolution MEPC.211, 63. 2015 Guidelines for the Development of the Inventory of the Hazardous Materials, adopted by Resolution MEPC.269, 68. 2012 Guidelines for the Survey and Certification of Ships under the Hong Kong Convention, adopted by Resolution MEPC.222, 64. 2012 Guidelines for the Inspection of Ships under the Hong Kong Convention, adopted by Resolution MEPC.223, 64. Provisions of Hong Kong Convention and its implications for various stakeholders. Entry into force criteria. Market overview.
Contact us for more information. You can call us, email us, or go through our website and visit us at this address.